change these bloody bushes, or bushings, or whatever you want to bloody call them. I've got this part already. So to hold it all together to keep dust out till these new bushings came. That's one. Maybe not. Always one earner. There were the buggers. Will need changing. You can't get mixed up. Alright. To get these buggers out, I don't know if you can actually see that. Let's try it. It's alright. See that little fob there? Little metal fob. Basically, all you need to do is just push that in, and then there's your bushes. See how much they've actually come off the state of my hands. Need good creaming. Okay, let's get the other one up. Okay. Let's get the new ones in. Let's compare old one and the new one. Look at that. The amount of meat left on that one. Oh. Now to put them in, what we have to do is make sure you don't bend them. Oh, hang on. See if we can find it. There you go. Little tab sticking out. The one sticking out mostly, they go on the outside. That's going to go in there, and click. There you go. Easy as pie. And this one won't work because it's been bent in for shipping problems here, so try and bend that out. If they haven't bent in, you have to just bend them out. So that's all you need to do. So you can actually make it. Oh, where's that gone? See what I mean? I'll bend that out so it clicks in. So save you buying a new one, doesn't it? Alright, let's get this in. Okay. Let's put it in. Wait for a click. There you go. That's done. There you got enough spring, enough meat. What's going to happen? You're going to push that in. Oh, you're going to pull that in. And then slot it in. It's going to be a bugger. This one's a bit tight. There we go. you know it'll work now, because obviously you've got a bit of feel to that now. Yeah. Right. Sorry about the camera work. Right, let's fit this all back together. Watch everything go wrong now. Oh. What's that in? If you guys are wondering how Cooper is, he's fine. He's fine, he's sleeping in his bed. Yeah, you watch videos like this, you think, oh, this seems easy enough. It's not sometimes. Sometimes you just need to get things ready before the video. Where's the other one? There it is. Right, before we put everything back in everything, let's find out if it works. Okay. You ready? There's no blade in it. It works. Right, I hope you enjoy that. You know how to get all this on. Hopefully you're doing it. But yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed that anyway, and hope it saved you money. Hope it helped. Oh, that is for that one. The 4324. If you got one of them, try and fix it. Do not throw it or buy a new one. Save your money. I'll catch you on the next one.